This experience that we have while staying here is something that one should not miss.
Here we got connected to our Indian roots. The culture which has simplicity and so much power to heal ourselves.
We connected. We attended the yoga sessions.
We got connected to our Indian culture.
We walked. We laughed.
And the way Sir takes us through the nuances of each principle is something very new.
I could meet Badri sir and I could do offline yoga with him.
My body pains have just vanished.
I have been feeling so light, so calmer.
Completely free, no more running nose, no sneeze, etc.
Connecting with oneself in any other way where I was here, I think it has gone up.
Jalniti was really good, and I could feel my nasal passages getting more cleaner.
Which really, teaches how to cleanse our body from inside.
Actually felt cleansing has happened.
Personal attention of Badri sir, so it became easy.
Oh my God, it was a fantastic experience, and all the participants were so open to experiment with all these kriyas.
My nose was completely clean.
It was found very, very easily. I can able to do this Sutra Neti.
The thing is, all the congestions are gone.
And then I'm very confident I can go home and then start practice Sutra Niti from myself.
भाई महाराज में धीरा यवत में होरी खेले रघुवीरा, अरे होरी खेले रघुवीरा यवत में होरी खेले रघुवीरा, या होरी खेले रघुवीरा यवत में होरी खेले रघुवीरा, अरे
We connected with nature. The heart is filled with so much of pleasant memories.
I was really carried away by Mother Earth and also the tree.
Then bare feet walking, grounding, then sitting below the tree. Really help in opening my energy centers. And I really love the bonding we had with all the community members.
I came to know further deeply, and what another thing it did to me was it took away this veil of ignorance that I had.
I loved every minute, every moment of this experience.
And I have been able to undergo all tests here.
CBH is such a platform which gives everything for in your home front, in your work front, in your physical body, in your emotional body, in your mental body, and your spiritual body too.
It is a life-changing experience for me, and I will cherish these moments always.